All right, let's talk about one of the most annoying things in Excel. Today, we're going to crush that frustration with a super simple but incredibly powerful hack that is going to save you so much time.
So listen up. If you're copying a table that has hidden rows, you need to know this. You're not just copying what you can see. You're actually copying all the hidden garbage along with it. And that, my friends, is a huge problem.
So why is this such a big deal? Well, because it leads to what I call the nightmare of reappearing data. We've all been there, right?
Look, the fallout here is more than just a little annoying. First, those hidden rows just pop right back in when you paste. Then, you're stuck wasting, 5, maybe 10 minutes manually deleting and reformatting everything? And honestly, the biggest risk, you could accidentally send the wrong data to your boss. Nobody wants that.
Okay, so let's walk through the wrong way. You know, the way pretty much everyone tries to do this at first. It's a path paved with frustration.
It seems so logical, doesn't it? You hit Ctrl A to select everything, Ctrl C to copy it, and then Ctrl V to paste it somewhere else. Simple. But this is exactly where it all falls apart.
And bam, there they are. The hidden rows are back. It's infuriating, I know, but thankfully there is a much smarter way to do this. So, it is time to unlock the Pro method. This is the visible cells secret, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Let me introduce you to a little feature called Go to Special. Now, I like to call this Excel's built-in blind spot finder, because its entire job is to tell Excel, hey, pay attention to only the cells I can actually see on my screen. So, how do you do it? It's easy. Step 1, select your data range with Ctrl A. Next, and this is key, press the F5 key to open the Go To dialog box. From there, you'll click the Special button. And now, for the most important step, choose Visible Cells Only. The Pro shortcut for this is Alt-semicolon. Once you've done that, you just copy and paste like you always do.
And here's where the magic happens. The moment you do that, Excel instantly understands and deselects all of those pesky hidden rows for you. It's a really subtle shift on the screen, but it is incredibly powerful.
And all of this sets us up for the grand finale. The perfect paste. We're talking a zero frustration and, most importantly, zero errors.
And there it is, a perfect clean paste. Only the visible rows made it across. That's clean, it's accurate, and it works every single time.
And that, right there, is your SmartIE edge. We're all about Excel tricks that actually save you time. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next tip. Seriously, just think about it. How much time is this one little trick going to save you every week?